Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you tired of your AI and ML models not performing as expected, or constantly needing to adjust and retrain them? You may be experiencing model drift. But don't worry, in this clip, we'll dive into the causes and solutions of AI and ML model drift. First, let's understand what model drift is. Simply put, it's when a model's performance decreases over time due to changes in data or the environment. This can be caused by various factors, such as changes in user behavior, data quality, or even external events. But the good news is, there are ways to prevent and mitigate model drift. One key solution is to continuously monitor and reevaluate your models. This means regularly checking the performance metrics and retraining the models if needed. By doing so, you can catch any drift early on and make adjustments before it significantly impacts your results. Additionally, it's crucial to have a robust data management system in place. This includes properly cleaning and organizing your data, as well as regularly updating it to reflect changes in the environment. Another cause of model drift is concept drift, where the relationship between the input and output variables changes. This can happen due to shifts in user behavior or changes in the market. To combat this, it's essential to have a diverse and representative data set when training your models. This will help them adapt to different scenarios and prevent concept drift. But what about when model drift does occur? In these cases, it's important to have a feedback loop in place. This means collecting feedback from users and using it to retrain and improve the models. By continuously incorporating feedback, you can ensure your models are always up to date and performing at their best. Remember, model drift is a common challenge in the world of AI and ML, but it's not something to be feared. By implementing these solutions, you can stay ahead of the game and keep your models performing at their peak. So if you want to ensure your AI and ML models are always delivering accurate and reliable results, remember to regularly monitor and reevaluate, have a strong data management system, and incorporate feedback. This will not only save you time and resources, but also improve the overall performance of your models. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and tips. Thank you for watching.